For before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na ano? Wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. I just talk to the...
Sige, Tony. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about
the
the deputy?
Secretary General?
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secgen.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive.
Receive.
You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi na dito.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I'm not.
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's
category.
not an instruction. It is.
Yeah.
I am not
In a position to
receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeach, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in line.
in 2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question.
Wow. For the record.
Ako, sir, I'm just saying, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow. What's your...
Then,
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous people have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely...
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received it.
Hindi, bakit na? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito sa legal
We're not arguing.
No, which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment
proceeding
na nandun na sa office.
Kay Attorney Jesus.
She was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, are both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority sa office of the section?
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my...
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garfield. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman G, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
Ang terrestre
Ano ang basis
hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano ang basis mo kanina? What is your basis? You
Tell us your basis.
Pero sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here...
Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to, ano.
We don't,
You just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we demand answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it to you.
We are proffering and tendering it
Our
in
complaint.
under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka.
Let me say, today is 2:18
Okay, si Attorney-
in the afternoon
si Attorney
of
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Okay, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes,
just sit down.
explain it to us right now.
I will...
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka...
Ako muna tayo.
Alright. Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Yeah,
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It
curious.
is a statement of fact na I am
You're
not
not authorized. Okay.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So, sinasabi na ni attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, attorney?
No.
Wala. Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Nakalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
Under the
You are a public,
Constitution,
you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
Wala sa amin yung wala. This is a public office.
It's a public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay. Let's
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note,
Okay.
I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko. Oh.
Yes, sir. I note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay na.
I said no.
Yes.
Para at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney,
Okay.
just to be, to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito na motions. We understand na. So, thank you.
I wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
In fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
para
verified.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tender to you.
We tender to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
are here
To tender.
To tender. I refuse.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang
ma-receive Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose.
Attorney,
Di ba office, ito ka pa niya, no? Di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Ako, ako.
Ako hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Kaya nga,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na,
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the record.
Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you.
no,
It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you are
command?
second
Ikaw.
in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
It's automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nagkano na naman, pumuntang Taiwan.
Kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. Even if si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito si si attorney, ha?
Governor Chavit. Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Para isa-isa para ano. Admiral Carlos. Carlos. Governor Chavi. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kathy Bina. And former Congressman Jing Para.
No introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna,
I'm the
Attorney
first
General
complainant, former
Garcia,
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission.
and sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
Pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.
Hindi yan nga, hindi. For the record. Because, hindi yan naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials even on private visits. Restricted to Taiwan under the one China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang, okay lang. We understand.
So ano na ngayon?
And see you. You don't walk na rin.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari?
Yun nga. Anyway, binigyan naman ni
Anyway,
Attorney yung...
tender naman tayo. That's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, Manong. Let's go.
Iwan naman natin yan. Ay, Kong.
That's
No personal. Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statement, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Again, I am not consented to be recorded.
Alright. Alright.
oh, sige.
Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si Attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, itong opisina to kasi hindi naman tao eh, but na office. Sa saligang batas, kailangan niya tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang yung nako ng impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement? Any statement, sir? Sa
I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo.
Congressman Paras, ano pong statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the one China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.